Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just scroll down to the additional settings. I will see here the gesture shortcut. Go here, and right there you can see the take a screenshot and virtual screenshot sections. Now we'll go here. Okay, we'll turn on this function, and now we can see that we can take screenshot. We slide with our 3 fingers down at the same time. Now if you'll just go here, you can delete, you can save the screenshot, they change the size, and also the another functions. Now we'll save this, and I think you can find this screen then in your gallery. Now we'll go here to the virtual screenshot, and we'll turn on this function. Just press and hold for a second with your fingers. You can change the form of the screenshot, for example by this way. We can change the size. Okay, and also we can share with this screen, we can edit and save. For example, I'll save, and you can see the message that the screenshot saved successfully. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.